Everyone loves PayPal. It's one of the most reliable sources for processing payments. Integrating PayPal or a credit card payment processor can make the buying process easier. Here's the great news. If you're operating on WooCommerce, we have the perfect fit for you. Say hello to Angelleye. We are partnering with PayPal and certified as a PayPal developer. Angelleye is a 3-time PayPal Star Developer Award winner and a PayPal ambassador. What sets us apart? We have a fanatical attention to quality and customer service. With experts who have been in the business for 20+ years, we offer plugins with an easy download that's ready right away. If you have any concerns, Angelleye can get on a call to chat. PayPal Checkout, Pay Later, Venmo, Direct Credit Cards, and Google and Apple Pay are all available with the plugin. This increases conversion rates and average order totals with more affordable processing rates from PayPal. WooCommerce payments powered by PayPal, built by Angelleye.